All right, everybody. So ours was on the digestive system. And our first activity over here is called Let's Eat. So they're supposed to grab a bag and grab a sheet. Take one. And then with a permanent marker, you draw what you think the stomach looks like. And then add 2 crackers on the bag. And on your sheet, write what you think the crackers represent. And then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of soda. So we got some nice Faygo. And then we just close that. It says close the bag tightly. And then on your sheet, write what you think the soda represents. And then write an observation on the sheet about what you saw. So you can pass this bag around. It is sealed tightly. And then make sure your name is on the sheet, and then you drop it in the box that would be here in the classroom. So the questions on here say, I think the crackers represent, I think the soda represents, an observation I made was, and they write that down. Breaking down fat.
Alright, so for this, we found this experiment, and basically you put milk in a bowl, and then food dye, and then you take a cotton ball with dish soap on the end, and when you stick it in the middle, it starts to swirl around. Like, you can kind of see it in here, but so we would ask the students like, why do you think that happens? And then so it's a visual representation of like how the digestive system would break down fat. So basically, like, it surrounds the bile and it like breaks it down. So that's just a visual representation that we would use for the students, and we would ask them why they think that the soap does that to the food color.
So then try on digesting. See that apron? Yes, that one. Try it on. So then what students will do is they'll grab the apron, they'll put it on, and they'll tie it around themselves. And then it says, point on your body where each of the following are, generally. So what you're going to do is you'll go through the list and you'll say, where's my stomach? Oh, I wonder where that is. Whoa, it's right there. Well, where's my small intestine? Oh, I feel that. That's like down in there. It feels kind of like a lot in there. And then, oh, where's my liver? Oh, my esophagus. It continues up. Is this part of my esophagus? Oh, I think so. And then so on. So it's kind of just like a try-on thing for students to be able to see where things are, like when they put it on their body. And it is adjustable.
And then we have an activity on like the small intestine. So I put like a very general definition of what the small intestine is and what it does, because I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know what it did before this activity. And then we want them to make a hypothesis for how long it is. Like, it has to fit in your body, so like, how long is it really? And then I was gonna bring a tape measure, because I feel like sometimes kids struggle with like how long. So like, how long is a foot? They might not know. So I was gonna bring it and show them maybe like, okay, this is like how long a foot is, and then they have to make a hypothesis for how long they think it is. And then on the back, we have, so here's the large intestine, and then the yarn represents the small intestine. And this is actually how long the small intestine actually is. So they'll have to unclip the small intestine and pull it out and measure how long it is. Does anyone want to make a hypothesis for how long the small intestine is?
26.
Oh, close. It's 20 feet. So then they would like measure it out and measure that it's actually one part of the yarn is actually like glued onto the board so that it's not.
So then they'd take it and everyone would grab it and wrap around the classroom, and then they think of, wow, this is all bundled up in there.
Yeah. Yep. And then for our books, we have a bunch of different books on the digestive system. Got some Magic School Bus, and then there's like an activity book over here as well.
We have a movie on the Magic School Bus.
Yes, classic. Yeah, that's our SDLC.
Any questions? What grade is this for? This is for 4th grade. Yep. Any other questions? Did everyone see this? What do you think that it represented? What do you think the soda represented?
Stomach acid.
Yes, and what did the crackers represent?
Food.
And and this is what happens.